In this video, I'm going to actually get myself stuck and then actually get myself out using a primitive wooden L winch. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and set two of the posts in your work area where you're going to actually be winching on this thing. Set two posts. You want your two posts about 5 foot away from where your rope's going to lay, one on each side. Alright, the next step is to attach off to whatever it is that you're trying to pull out. And this rope won't fit through the eye that's on here, so I had to put this smaller rope there. I'm just going to go ahead and do a bowline knot on this. Alright, this is where people get messed up with this. The way I like to do it, to keep it real simple, to make sure I got it taut, I got the tractor this direction. Make sure it's taut. This is how everything's sitting. This cantilever stick right here, the handle of it is pointing at the tractor right now. Just take this, put it under there, just like that. Then you can bring all this rope up through there, just like so. I know there's easier ways to do this, but this is the easiest way for me to explain it. And then you take your rope that's right here and you put it under again. Right there is what you should have. Generally, when something like this happens, you're not going to have a good anchor point for your winch. You're not going to have a tree that's in the right place or that your rope can reach or whatever. So generally what you got to do is you got to drive a whole bunch of stakes and just keep wrapping the heck out of it and just make it work. And if it doesn't hold, you're just going to have to reset stakes or whatever. I have this, so I'm in luck. It's just a ground anchor with an eye that screws in and out of the top. And I could drive this without an impact, but I have an impact, so I'm going to go ahead and use it. Alright, now for this part, so you're not just spinning your wheels, for lack of a better term, you want it to be nice and tight before you actually get started winching this thing. And to get it nice and tight, so you're not just doing a whole bunch of nothing, what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to do a big old bowling knot. Do that loop right there just like so, just like that. Just like this, and then back through the hole. And that'll hold anything, and it'll never come undone, and it's easy to get undone. Now on the handle, this is the handle of the device, the part that's going towards the tractor. You want to just go ahead and put yourself a piece of rope, just however you want to, really. Don't have to be anything fancy. Something that'll hold, and you'll see why later. Alright, as you can see, she's all unstuck and I'm good to go.